Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to use a simple AI tool called AICheatCheck.com. AI Cheat Check is an extremely reliable solution for academicians to verify authenticity of student work. It's a tool that analyzes every sentence structure and then detects the presence of AI to ensure academic integrity. It's an easy solution to verify authenticity with an accuracy rate of 99.7%. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this tool.
So first go to the website aicheatcheck.com. This is how the website looks. This is where you paste the text you want to verify for authenticity. Please note that the website only works for English language and is most accurate if the words are above 50. So firstly, as this is just an example and is solely for a demo purpose, I'm going to be showing two scenarios where firstly, I copy paste some information from ChatGPT, like text that is generated from ChatGPT, and then I'm going to copy paste text that I have typed out on my own. And then we're going to see how the AI tool differentiates between the both and recognizes whether it's generated from an AI tool or is generated by human. So now I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I've already generated a text on what is AI. I'm going to copy paste this much of the text that AI ChatGPT has generated. Now I'm going to click on check. And we can see that it says it detects the written text as 100% written by AI. Now I'm going to clear this and I'm going to copy paste text that I have typed out on my own. This is text that I have typed out. So it's basically generated by human. And we are going to copy and then paste the same thing here and check. And here it says it's 99% certain that the text was generated by human, which is true. It is generated by a human being, which is me. So this way we can see that the AI tool is helping us figure out whether students are being authentic or not. And it also helps us figure out the level of authenticity. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you.